Every year, Kentucky Youth Advocates releases a study looking at different aspects of everyday life for children. Things like poverty, education, and access to resources. Their vision is for Kentucky to be the best place in America for children. The reality is much different.
Certain things going on in the streets, some of them actually being homeless.
The pandemic can't keep Western High School basketball coach Brandon Britt from staying in touch with his players. For those already struggling, things are only getting worse.
Do you feel like the pandemic is causing a lot of problems or revealing a lot of issues that have already been there?
It's a combination of both, definitely.
The Kentucky Kids Count County Data Book looks at the impact of COVID-19 and systemic racial injustice, not just on children, but their families.
Our speculation is that COVID has amplified what was there before.
What was there before?
Poverty numbers pre-COVID were increasing in Jefferson County.
About 2/3 of Kentucky's Latinx households with children reported losing income from employment since the pandemic started. For Kentucky's Black households, more than half reported not having a job.
It is a serious problem, but it is not a mountain that we can't climb.
How can we start to climb that mountain now?
If we want to be compassionate, we need to tackle those economic realities.
Terry Brooks says the mayor, city council, community nonprofits, and small business leaders can work together to level out the disparities. Rent security, childcare deserts, and food deserts are three concerns. Another issue is people knowing about the help that's out there.
Anyone who is surprised by the data around families of color apparently were sleeping before. I don't think it's changed anything. I think it's just deepened every disparity.
And Coach Britt says right now, children are feeling it the most.
All homes aren't created equal. Kids didn't ask for the situations they came in. All we can try to do is help young people the best we can.
And if you want to read more about this study, we have a link posted on WHAS11.com.